Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Axios HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in axioshr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Axios HR. Now if you're a client, then click on Client Login at the top right corner, or you can also click on Employee Login at the top right. After clicking on your appropriate login portal, you will be taken into the login section. Now type in your username that you used while signing up for your account within the username box, and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Axios HR right away. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you can find the forgot username and the forgot password options that you can click on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Axios HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.